So today I have the top 10 affiliate programs that you need to join right now. Whether you're just getting started in affiliate marketing or you're a seasoned pro, these programs offer excellent opportunities for earning commissions in any niche. I'll walk you through why each one is a great option, how to join, and some tips on how to promote these programs effectively. Okay, so let's dive right in. First up, we have one of the best out there, and that's Amazon Associates. Amazon is arguably the most trusted brand worldwide, and its affiliate program is one of the largest and easiest to join. To join, just go to affiliate/program. They accept most applicants, so as long as you have a website or a blog or social media account, you should get approved no problem. Amazon Associates is a really great choice because you can promote just about anything, from books to electronics and fashion to pet supplies. To promote the products, you can create product reviews, comparison articles, or unboxing videos. What's cool about Amazon is that you earn commission on everything that someone buys using your link, not just the specific product that you promoted. This means that you can earn, even if they end up buying something else, within I think about 24 hours of using your unique link. Next up, we have ShareASale. ShareASale is a massive affiliate network that has been around for over 20 years, and they have over 4,500 merchants in various niches. If you're looking to promote products across different categories, to join, go to shareasale.com and sign up. The application process usually takes a few days as they manually review each submission. Once you're approved, you have access to a dashboard where you can find and join individual merchants' affiliate programs. ShareASale is great for those who want flexibility and variety. You can promote physical products, digital products, and even services. To drive traffic, you can use methods like writing blog on niche websites and email marketing. If you're promoting products for multiple merchants, ShareASale's easy-to-use interface lets you keep everything organized in one place. Affiliate program number 3 is CJ Affiliate, also known as Commission Junction. CJ is another well-established network that gives you access to top brands like Overstock, J.Crew, and even GoPro. It's a great program for those looking to work with recognizable companies and brands. To get started, go to cj.com and create an account. After joining, you'll need to apply to each individual merchant within CJ, as some of them have specific criteria or additional approvals necessary. CJ Affiliates offers advanced tracking and reporting tools, making it ideal for those serious about scaling their affiliate marketing business. You can promote these links through various methods like short-form videos on TikTok, review blogs, or even paid ads. You also have the opportunity to tap into CJ's deep link generator, which lets you create affiliate links to any page on a merchant's site, allowing for highly targeted promotions. Hey, could you do me a favor and like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel while you're at it? It does help out a ton. I share videos just like this twice a week where I talk about making money online. It's completely free and you can always change your mind later. Rakuten is another solid choice, especially if you want to work with global brands. They partner with companies like Walmart, Macy's, and Best Buy, making it a top choice for promoting products from companies that people love and trust. To join, visit RakutenAdvertising.com and sign up as an affiliate. Rakuten does take a few days to review applications, so be prepared to provide some details about your promotional strategies and your audience. Rakuten offers a very user-friendly platform and great support, which is ideal for both beginners and experienced affiliates. You can promote through blogs or comparison articles, or even create YouTube content that showcases the product. Their platform also provides deep insights into your performance, helping you fine-tune your strategies for better results. Moving on to one of my personal favorites is Impact.com. They provide a bit of a unique edge because they're focused on building partnerships rather than just traditional affiliate marketing. It's a popular choice among influencers and content creators who want to work closely with brands. Some big names on Impact include Adidas, Airbnb, and Uber. You'll need to apply to each brand individually, but Impact.com makes that process super simple with their easy-to-navigate interface. This is an excellent choice for affiliates who want to build long-term partnerships. Their platform provides robust tracking tools, making it really easy to measure your success. Awin is a global affiliate network with thousands of merchants across various industries, making it perfect for affiliates with diverse interests. Some popular brands on Awin include Etsy, HP, and StubHub. To join, head over to awin.com and sign up as an affiliate. Awin does charge a small application fee, but it is refundable once you're approved. Once you're in and you're approved, you'll have access to a broad range of merchants. Awin is great because it gives you access to a lot of international brands, which means you can promote products globally. Again, you can use blogs or videos on social media. Additionally, Awin provides performance-based bonuses, so the more you sell, the more you earn. So if you want to go global with your affiliate marketing, Awin is an excellent choice. Next up, we have the Shopify affiliate program. Shopify is the leading e-commerce platform, what makes it the ideal choice if your audience includes entrepreneurs and online business owners. To join, go to affiliates.shopify.com and apply. Shopify mainly focuses on affiliates with an audience interested in starting an online store. So it really helps if you have content focused on e-commerce, entrepreneurship, and online business. Shopify pays high commission and provides really excellent resources, including training material and support. You can promote Shopify through blog posts, Pinterest, or even through some kind of webinar. A popular method is creating tutorials or guides on how to start an online store using Shopify. This not only helps your audience audience, but it positions you as a subject matter expert, which can lead to a higher rate of conversion. At number 8, we have Bluehost. Bluehost is a great affiliate program for anyone promoting website hosting services, particularly for beginners. Bluehost is popular among new bloggers and small business owners because it's affordable and easy to use. To join, visit bluehost.com/affiliates and sign up. They have a straightforward approval process so you can start promoting quickly. They offer really competitive commissions, often up to $65 per sale, and they hold a really solid reputation. Similar to all the others, to promote Bluehost, write blog posts and create video content about how to start a blog or build a website. You can also create a step-by-step tutorial showing your audience how to set up a website using Bluehost specifically. ClickBank is well known for its focus on digital products like ebooks, online courses, and various software. It's ideal if you're looking to promote higher ticket items and earn larger commissions. To get started, go to clickbank.com and create an affiliate account. Once you're in, you can browse their marketplace, which is full of products across almost every niche. You can promote health products, financial services, self-help courses, and so much more. ClickBank is really great because it has a high average commission rate and lots of niche options. To promote ClickBank products, consider creating review articles, build niche websites and post blogs, or YouTube videos. You could also run targeted ads to your ClickBank links if you're familiar with running paid traffic. The key is to choose products with a high gravity score, as these indicate popularity and better chances of converting. And last up, we have PartnerStack. PartnerStack primarily focuses on B2B and SaaS products. It's an excellent choice if your audience includes small business owners or professionals in need of software solutions. Brands on PartnerStack include companies like Monday.com, QuickBooks, and Asana. To join, visit ProductStack.com and sign up. You'll need to apply to each individual brand, but once you're accepted, you can access their tools and resources for promoting SaaS products. PartnerStack is unique because it focuses on long-term partnerships and reoccurring commissions. And there you have it. Those are the top 10 affiliate programs to join in 2024. Each of these programs offer something unique, so take your time exploring them to find the best fit for you. Whether you're looking to promote physical products, digital products, or software, there's an affiliate program out there that can help you earn big. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.